Hello stock stalkers, welcome back. Today what we saw in the market is purely a reaction of what's happening around the world. So no matter what kind of study you do, whether it's fundamental or technical, it will not work. We do not have control over it. It's purely due to the external factors. We do not have any control. The only weapon that we have as of now is stop loss. If you cannot bear the pain of the downside momentum, if you cannot bear the pain of this selling pressure, then exit as per your planned stop loss. If at all you have holding capacity, if you have holding power, then you may continue holding it. You never know, market might rebound again very soon. Or in other words, today's fall can be an opportunity in disguise. So let's start analyzing the market. This is the daily chart of DFM market index, that is Dubai Financial Market. In yesterday's session, we saw market did not respect this zone, that is 4,500. We saw a strong drop to the downside. However, our next support area was working out perfectly fine. We saw a bounce from this zone, that is 4,460 points. Yesterday's closing was around 4,478. Today's opening was obviously with a gap down due to the geopolitical scenarios, extreme selling pressure during the day. Market came down till about 4,415 and then we saw very small recovery. Closing is at 4,440 points. On the way down, obviously we can see it broke the support of 4,460. By the way, if at all there is no positive development over the night, then there are chances we may see continuous selling pressure. It can even come down to retest 4,400 points, that is next identified support area. If at all this does not hold, then we have lower support at 4,361. Obviously this is not good for the market. We will see a chart damage that was in a strong bull run. We can see it's making higher highs and higher lows. Obviously on the way up it had created support zones, but as I just mentioned earlier, we do not have control over these external factors. If at all in a normal scenario, market will respect the zones and bounce up. So the moral of the story is, if at all there is more negative news, market will react accordingly. This is the daily chart of ADX market index, that is Abu Dhabi Securities Exchange. We saw a deeper correction or more selling pressure in ADX market. Check this out. Yesterday market was respecting this zone, that is 9,400 points. In fact, we have a retest twice. This candle came down till about 9,378. It bounced up. Even yesterday we saw this candle coming down till about same zone. We saw a bounce up and closed above the zone perfectly. But due to the geopolitical scenarios today, we saw extreme pressure. Most of the stocks opened with a gap down and we saw continuous selling pressure. By the way, there was also a rumor about Stalk, and let me tell you, it's not a confirmed news, it's just a rumor. If at all they will make official, we will see an article in DFM or Gulf News. So what can happen from here? If at all there is more negative news scenario tomorrow, then I'm expecting it to come down till about 9,245 points. This is the last resort of ADX market. This is the latest swing low. From here it made a high of about 9,520 points. So if at all market goes below this zone and if we have a red candle closing tomorrow, then we will see a chart damage, meaning we can clearly see market was doing higher highs and higher lows. It was also following this trend line. We can see a breakdown, that is negative indication. This also indicates that now uptrend is about to end and most likely from here we can expect a downtrend. So in that scenario we will enter bearish territory. There are chances market can even come down till about 9,160. Overall, ADX market is looking a bit weaker when compared to DFM. I am not recommending any stocks as of now. Let this storm settle, let the market come back to the normal state, and then we will plan our entries and exits. Hit the like button. Thanks for watching. Keep stocking.